Hello, and welcome. In this quick tut, we will talk about how to set up a flow element. The flow element is a key function of the portrait flow function. In this video, we will show you what a flow element looks like and where to find it. We will also show you how it differs from an image frame. Once the flow element is set up, you will be able to copy it and paste it to multiple pages. Now let's set up our first flow element. Before we locate, place, and edit a flow element, let's talk about what a flow element looks like and how to tell the difference between it and an image frame. Here on this page, we have set up 3 examples that most advisors see. Number 1 is what a working flow element looks like. You can tell by the icon in the middle of a head and shoulders. You can also see the text, student name. Number 2 is an image frame. You can tell this by the icon of a mountain and sun inside a white outline frame. This is meant to drag and drop your candid images into. You can drag and drop portrait images into an image frame, but please understand the flow element is designed to have your images and names float on the page. Number 3 sometimes throws advisors off. It looks like a flow element, but it has an image frame. This is what you would see if a flow element was expanded. Sometimes flow elements are expanded to fix a name that is too long for the text box. Once a flow element is expanded, you cannot flow or reset the flow. This is why we tell advisors it is a last resort to fixing red X's on names. We are now going to show you where you find the flow elements. Simply click on the Flow tab on the left side on the dark gray bar. Located here under Image Flow are 6 different flow elements, each one representing a different location for names. As you can see, some names are on the left or right side, above or below the portrait, or on the left or right side of the individual portrait. The one you pick is up to you and how you want the book to look. Please keep in mind that these elements, when placed on your page, will have to be adjusted differently to get the number of spots needed for your class flow. Let me show you what I mean. Here you can see the flow element with the names to the side. You will also see there are likely more boxes than you will need. To adjust the number of boxes, click on the flow element on the page. Then, locate the toolbar at the top of the double page spread. In the middle of this toolbar is 9 little dots with a down arrow. This is flow options. This is your flow options. Click on flow options to see the menu. The first thing you will want to do is uncheck automatic. From there, you can adjust the number of rows and columns to get the number of portrait boxes you need. Please note you may not get the exact number, and there might be 1 or more boxes left over. Do not worry. These boxes will go to a hidden state when not in use. From here, we need to adjust the width and height so the portraits can be seen in their full potential. Here you will see names under the portraits. To edit this is just a little different than the last one. The last one you change the rows and columns, then the width and height. With the names under the portraits, you will change the width and height, and then adjust the number of rows and columns. The one thing to keep in mind with this one is you might have to adjust the vertical spacing. If you have students with long names, you may not want to lower it too much. This could cause the text to not fit inside the text box. So, after you flow and see a red X, then you will just have to reset and readjust the vertical spacing and then reflow the class. As you set up the flow element, please keep in mind that any changes you want to make will have to be done before you flow. The toolbar here is where you can change your font size, font color, and add a border around each portrait. This is how you set up a flow element. Thank you for watching, and please call or email us if you have any additional questions or issues. Until next time, have a wonderful day and good luck on the creation of your yearbook. We cannot wait to see your hard work.
Thank you for viewing our tutorial. For more tutorials and videos that will help with yearbook creation, please check out our channel on YouTube, Memory Book Company Technical Support. Thanks again.